Hello, friends. Let me ask you this. Have you noticed that once retirement begins, the smallest things with your grown children can suddenly spark tension? A comment, a visit that didn't happen, a difference in opinion. And before you know it, voices rise or silence settles. Here's the truth. Conflict with grown children after retirement is common, but it doesn't have to steal your peace. You can enjoy calm, healthy connections in this new season of life. Let's walk through how retirement changes your rhythm. You have more time, maybe more needs, maybe more hopes for closeness. But your children? They're juggling jobs, kids, bills, and their own worries. Sometimes those worlds collide. Conflict often begins with what we expect. You want more calls, more visits, more help. They may feel stretched thin. The wisdom here is simple. Let go of "you should." Replace it with invitation. Instead of saying, "You never call," try "I love hearing from you. When's a good time?" Instead of saying "you should visit more," try "I'd enjoy a coffee together. What day works for you?" When you soften expectation into invitation, tension softens too. One of the greatest gifts you can give your grown child is your ear, not your lecture. Listening creates safety, and safety keeps arguments away. Try this. Let them finish before you reply. Repeat back what you heard. Ask questions, not corrections. It's not weakness. It's wisdom. Sometimes the very thing that keeps peace is giving space. If your child says, "I can't talk about this now," respect it. It doesn't mean rejection. It means they're drawing a line for their own calm. When you honor their boundaries, they learn to honor yours too. Your identity is more than being a parent. Keep your hobbies, your friendships, your community. The fuller your own life is, the less pressure falls on your children, and the more relaxed your relationship becomes. Let me share a story. A retired nurse named George found himself frustrated. His son rarely picked up his evening calls. He felt ignored. One day, instead of complaining, George asked gently, "Son, what's the best time for me to reach you?" His son explained evenings were chaos with homework and dinner, but mornings were free. George shifted his calls. Just that one change turned missed calls into joyful talks. Respect, not demand, kept their bond strong. So here's the heart of it. You can't control your grown children, but you can control how you show up. If you lead with respect, listen before you lecture, and shift from demands to invitations, you'll notice less conflict, more connection, and a lighter heart. If this message spoke to you, please like this video so other seniors can find it too. And don't forget to subscribe to join our community, a place where wisdom, respect, and peace guide our golden years together. My wish for you, dear friends, is this. May your retirement years be filled with peace in your home, joy in your family, and conversations that bring closeness, not conflict. May every phone call, every visit, every word shared remind you that love grows stronger with gentleness.